Hello everyone, my name is Valeria Nájera. I'm student of Universidad Autónoma de Chihuahua from the Facultad de Medicina y Ciencias Biomédicas. I'm studying biomedical engineering, and this is a project for the class of Inglés Técnico en Medicina e Ingeniería for Unit 3, Biomedical Fields and Jobs. Okay, today I will explain what is the job that I would like to have when I graduate. Okay, so first I'm going to explain what is biomedical engineering. Biomedical engineering is the application of engineering principles to solve problems in the life science. Biomedical engineers has contributed to the development of revolutionary and life-saving concepts such as artificial organs, surgical robots, advanced prosthetics, new pharmaceutical drugs, kidney dialysis, among many others. The knowledge of a biomedical engineer includes a large number of subjects related to math, chemistry, biology, electronics, computer programs, anatomy, physics, and even administration. So for this reason, this career can be divided in three main areas of specialization. The first one, clinical engineering. Another one, bioengineering, and biomechanics. Personally, the one I like most is clinical engineering. So therefore, I will focus on talking about it. Okay, clinical engineering. The clinical engineers are responsible primarily for applying and implementing medical technology to optimize healthcare delivery. So the roles of a clinical engineer, there are many roles, but I put the one of them, training and supervising biomedical equipment technicians. Another one, working with governmental regulators on hospital inspections or audits. Serving as technological consultants for other hospital staff. And working a clinical engineer work. Some examples are in public and private organizations that have health services. Another one, executive positions in organization of the biomedical sectors. Government. In government in Mexico, we have the Secretaría de Salud. This is an example. The hospitals are like in public and private organizations, and yes, these are some examples. Okay, sometimes it's necessary to have a master's degree, in this case in master in clinical engineering. In different countries, this master's degree is offered. In Mexico, we have CIMSTAP, Centro de Investigación y Estudios Avanzados del IPN. Another one, Instituto Nacional de Ciencias Médicas y Nutrición, Salvador Subirán. Y en Universidad Universidad Morelos. Universidad Modelo, sorry. And just to mention some places that offer this master in Mexico. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.